Did it hit you? Feeling the excitement? This is a pivotal moment for Shiba Inu. Unprecedented behavior has been observed in whales. Their behavior clearly indicates that a significant event is imminent. This decline in the market is unlike any other. Take this opportunity to heed the warning. We can't help but see the symptoms. Curious about the reason behind it all? Allow me to clarify. Important notice. There is still hope in the air, even though it has recently dropped. A large number of industry watchers are speculating that Shiba Inu might soon be making a triumphant return. Although some view the current market slump as a short-term setback rather than a permanent problem, it is undeniable that it has been difficult compared to yesterday's brief increase. Shiba Inu is currently showing a small fall. From its highest point a week ago, Shiba Inu has fallen by more than 17%. Looking at the bigger picture, the previous 60 to 90 days have been extremely difficult, with the currency losing approximately 45% of its value. A glimmer of optimism remains, nevertheless. The declining trend in Shiba Inu prices may be leveling out, which many merchants are taking as a sign that the market might soon be on the mend. Values in the cryptocurrency market can fall and then rise again in an instant, making it famously unpredictable. Considering this, there is an additional noteworthy development to mention. The number of whale sightings involving Shiba Inu has allegedly increased dramatically. An ex-user claims that whales are amassing Shiba Inu at an unprecedented rate. Impending domination is imminent. Might suggest a couple of things. Speculators known as whales amass cryptocurrency holdings in anticipation of a price increase. Their purchasing habits can frequently tell other investors that good things are about to happen. We don't know why these major actors are suddenly so invested, but it's safe to assume that they know something the general public doesn't. Several causes may be driving this accumulation, probably connected to fascinating new happenings in the Shiba Inu ecology. These larger investors may be interested in it because of upcoming improvements or updates that could make it more useful. A significant collaboration or partnership is another potential avenue that could increase the platform's user base and investor base. The overall Bitcoin market or macroeconomic developments may also be pushing these whales to position for advantages. The present market position is further complicated by this increase in whale activity. It gives Shiba Inu owners optimism that things will improve soon. When major investors get behind a cryptocurrency, it gains more attention and credibility, which could entice additional individual investors to get in. While it's encouraging to see more whale activity overall, it's worth noting that this trend isn't exclusive to Shiba Inu. Even more bizarre things are happening in the Bitcoin market. Something big is going on behind the scenes, according to CryptoQuant's CEO, who recently tweeted about it. Nearly 500,000 Bitcoin, or more than 400,000 BTC, has been transferred to permanent holder wallets in the past 30 days, he noted. The value of those Bitcoins exceeds $23 billion. To drive home the point that this was strange behavior, he brought up his earlier tweet from July 24th, in which he said that 385,000 Bitcoins had been moved to cold wallets, calling it an unprecedented amount of whale buildup. His remarks give the impression that significant investors are preparing for a huge move, and he dropped hints that everything will become obvious in a year, when whales act in. This way, it's usually an indication that big things are about to happen in the crypto market, and Shiba Inu could be one of them. Also, in the third quarter of 2024, he thinks these institutions may reveal that have bought a lot of Bitcoin. This disclosure may come within a year, especially in light of recent events such as the German government selling off confiscated Bitcoin or the US government unloading billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin from the Mt. Gox situation. He cautions that regular investors may come to regret not purchasing Bitcoin sooner. As a result, institutional investors may flood the market with Bitcoin at the expense of retail investors who stand to lose out on any profits. Large institutions' strategic choices could have a huge impact on Bitcoin's future. The recent uptick in whale activity suggests that these institutional investors are gearing up for a major event. Their trading volume and patterns of accumulation may indicate a market change that will determine the future. What then is ahead for us? Is a major turning point about to happen for cryptocurrency? Or is there an additional factor involved? Well, something really fantastic is about to happen for Shiba Inu. Just made a post on X from the official Shiba Inu account. Is Toronto in your future? The Futurist Conference is about to begin in exactly 1 week. Updates, unique merchandise, and surprises are on the way. Be sure to stop by our booth. If you're involved in the cryptocurrency or technology industries, you should definitely attend the Blockchain Futurist Conference. As the biggest Web3 event in Canada, it brings together tech fans and innovators for a day of idea sharing and future gazing. It's a wonderful chance for Shiba Inu to share its new products with the public and interact with locals. There has never been a period when people were so excited for this event. Lots of exciting things are in store for Shiba Inu enthusiasts, including new updates and unique products. Such gatherings have the ability to energize the public and generate attention, which could lead to financial support for the Shiba Inu community. This is the ideal time for everyone involved in this coin to gather and rejoice in its future. In the lead up to the forthcoming Futurist Conference, experts have spoken out regarding their expectations for the Shiba Inu's future. Armando Pantoja, an expert, recently posted on X and made a compelling case for the impending spike in value of Shiba Inus. A bullish RSI divergence, which he mentioned, could mean that the correction is over. Investors should consider taking advantage of the current cheap prices before a potential rapid surge past critical resistance levels, according to Pantoja, who says that Shiba Inu has entered a prime buying zone. The recent success of Shiba Inus is the foundation of the confidence around its possible surge. The cryptocurrency's value has been severely impacted by the bearish momentum this month, nearly wiping out the gains it gained in March. Shiba Inu attained its all-time high of 45 in March of this year, a level it had previously hit in 2021. Looking ahead to August, it has fallen to 4.011, narrowly escaping a dip to 5.0, which hasn't happened since late February. When compared to the peak in March, the precipitous fall from the August low is mind-boggling. Pantoja, on the other hand, claims that the market currently views the present low price as a desirable accumulation zone. His forecast of a huge FOMO frenzy could cause the Shiba Inu price to skyrocket to 2.0 and 1. Those who invest now at these prices stand to win a fortune if this materializes. In particular, if Pantoja's forecast materializes, their portfolios might grow by a staggering 7,000%. Although Pantoja's prediction is somewhat daring, other experts are as bullish on the Shiba Inu's prospects, albeit with more cautious outlooks. Contrary to Pantoja's prediction of 2.0s, most people think Shiba Inus will probably only erase 1. Regardless, investors are getting increasingly pumped up about the market and can't wait to see where it goes from here. So what are your thoughts on the matter? Leave a comment in the space provided. Your comment would be greatly appreciated. If you're interested in learning more, just click on one of the videos displayed. We have reached the final segment of this video. Give the video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments if you found it entertaining. Regarding the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you could forward this video to everyone you know. It is time to spread the word.